Hey, it's Mike back at Payam Data Recovery. Today I'm with Samir, working on a completely dead Toshiba 1TB drive damaged during a thunderstorm. Let's see how this drive gets brought back to life. When a hard drive won't spin up, the issue typically lies with the PCB, the printed circuit board that supplies electricity to the drive. The culprit? A blown diode, a tiny component that acts like a one-way valve for electrical current. A multimeter test confirmed it was faulty. There are two solutions: remove the damaged diode, quick but risky, or take the professional approach by transferring the ROM chip to an identical working board. From their spare parts inventory, a matching donor PCB was selected. What most people don't realize, simply swapping boards doesn't work. The ROM chip contains unique calibration data for each drive. Using a soldering iron and hot air station, the technician carefully transferred the ROM chip to the donor board. The result? The drive spun up perfectly. A complete backup was created and transferred to a new USB drive for the customer, who will receive the good news tomorrow. Proper technical knowledge turned what could have been a complete data loss into a 100% successful recovery. See you next time.